What up, geeks? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Virgo Zodiac Conjure Candle from the Conjurer. I've had these candles for a minute, and it's time for you guys to see what they all look like. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this candle is just a plain candle. It's green in color. The scent is lavender. And the description goes as follows. The Archangel of Virgo is also feminine energy. She is Hamalayel. She presides over medical procedures for safety. She's great for anything intellectually driven or needed. She also can be called on to assist with power of your magic and can bring you more knowledge of it. If you are goal-oriented or need extra drive in your career/business, this is also your candle. So the color again is green. The scent is lavender. You do not need to be this sign to burn this candle, and you do not have to burn it on a specific day. It can be layered with other candles, but still best to burn one at a time with a 3-day break in between to wait for movement. Since you don't have to use them on a specific day like you do planetary candles, it leaves it up in the air like, what do you do? How do you do it? So there's something going to perform that kind of sort of helps you, and so I'm going to go off of that when I do decide to use this candle. And hey, who knows, it could be tonight, it could be sometime very soon, because based on the description and the title that she put for these, it could be something I need right now. I just need to figure out what that thing is. Okay, so here is what the front of the candle looks like. It has a seal that is specially designed by Miss Lala. It's something that I'm wondering actually when the candle is over, how it is that one is supposed to continue to work with the spirit. Is it something that I have to constantly keep buying candles for to be able to work with them? Is there another seal that I can use that's, just as easy as this one? Things of that nature, because I really don't know. But these are things that I ponder. These are things that I think about when I think about lighting this candle, because I know it ain't gonna last forever. So since they're not going to last forever, how do I continue to work with them after, all the wax is gone? Can I just take the seal off the candle and use the seal along with another type of candle that is made from the same scent and, just like she kind of made here? That's something that I really have to think about, because I don't know. But like I said, it's something that I've thought of and I wanted to ask, but I haven't gotten an answer to. So in order for me to light this candle, I personally have never lit one of these conjure candles, so I won't know what's about to happen. I don't know if it's like a head work type of thing to where my mind changes and I'm like, okay, this is what I want to do. I done told the candle what I want to do, and it's kind of like, okay, now I'm driven to do that. I don't know, so we shall see. But if I had to choose one of these things to do at this present time, it would be to be goal-oriented. I would pick something that I really, really, really am striving to do. Long term, short term, just one thing. Maybe, I don't know. They say you can put like up to 3 things on here. I might test the waters a little bit, but we shall see. That might be a part of my little experiment. Just put something on there that you really, really, really are aspiring to get accomplished and see what happens. Now with conjure candles, I'm told it's better if you talk, but you don't really have to. You just make the petition and then you put it under the candle. And then after you dismiss, you go about your business and then you wait for the results. Me personally, I would probably give a deadline as to when I want this done. And I really have to be actively trying to do this thing because, you got to pull your own weight now. You got to do what you got to do. They're going to help you, but you got to help them. You can't say, I want to save $10,000 by the end of 2023 if you have not been actively saving. You have been spending your money like a drunkard, like, a wino, or you want to, become debt free, and you just been, every time you see something, you just buying it and buying it and buying it. You can't do that. Or at least you can, but I wouldn't do that. If I was spending money like that, I'd do some head work on myself, to be honest. I'd light up a Saturn candle or something, because we need some help. Something ain't right. Something ain't right here. That's just what I do. I'd set for the goal-oriented part, I'd set a goal, a long-term or short-term goal, and I'd really set my mind to that. If it's really that important to me, I'd literally set my mind to that. What are the big 3 or 5 things I've been trying to do, period. Doesn't have to be, in a year. I'm just saying what sticks out to you. What are those things that call to you that just won't leave you alone? Not talking about me, I'm not talking about you, but you take what you will. Whatever those things are, pick one of those things that are major that will get you the result that you want to get, and then I try to tackle that head on. Just some suggestions. So that has been the unboxing / preview of the Virgo Zodiac Conjure Candle from the Conjure. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like and you comment, most of all, because I feel like that's something that will help me to communicate with you guys on a better way. Before I close out this video, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed, everybody who commented on the videos prior to this one. If you don't know, my camera audio is it's gone. So I've had to learn or try to learn how to do a voiceover with the clips of video that I have on my camera, and that has been quite the learning curve. It has not been easy at all. It's taken me days to try to put something together, whereas if I had audio and my camera was working the way that I feel like it should, I would just upload, edit the audio, and just go, because then I have something to go off of. This, I'm kind of walking in blind and trying to navigate my way. So for those of you who have seen my community post and you know what's going on, again, like I said, thank you guys for being patient with me while I try to put this together. It's going to take me a minute to get used to, but the more that I do it, I think I'll become better at it. It's just going to take some time. Hopefully not too much time. I am hoping to have another camera beginning of next year. I should have a better camera. I've been holding on to this camera for I don't know how long. I guess since it came out, it's just been, I guess it was just time to let it go. It was time for it to go. So again, thank you to everyone who is still here, who is subscribed, who comment on all my videos, who just, is very patient with me while I try and figure this out. I love you guys. Be blessed. Take care. And until next time, toodles.